welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Hanni and I post new videos on this channel every Wednesday. But because of coronavirus and the whole self-isolation and quarantine, I've decided to post to post 2 videos in a week. So you'll be getting a video every Wednesday plus a bonus day during the week. So if you want to get notified every time I post a new video, then please click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. Guys, I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers before the 29th of April, which will be my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. So guys, please help me reach 500 subscribers before the 29th of April. We are currently 200 subscribers away, I think. Yeah, we are 200 subscribers away. So please help me reach those 200 subscribers so I can have 500 subscribers before the 29th of April. And I don't know why y'all are not subscribing though. Like 65% of the people that watch my video the longest are not subscribed. Guys, please, if you enjoy the content, subscribe. Also, if you don't enjoy the content and you just want to help a girl out, please subscribe, okay? Help a girl out and hit the subscribe button. Please. Yeah. Anyways, so it's quarantine, we are home, we are bored. What to do? So I've came up with a list of 20 things that you can do during self-isolation. So if you want to get tips or ideas of things that you can do during self-quarantine, okay, please stay tuned and let's get into this video. First things first, or number one, is to learn something new. Learn a new skill, develop a new skill, or if you have a skill that you've been trying to learn, then practice it or do something to improve this new skill. Let me change this. I think I like it that way better. So first thing, the first thing that I said is to learn a new skill. So what kind of new skills can you learn like during this time? I mean, not every skill requires you to go out of the door to learn or to go to someone or something like that. So what kind of new skills can one learn at home? So example, like for a lady, learn how to do hair, like learn how to straighten your own hair so you don't have to go to someone to straighten your own hair. Like develop skills that learn how to do your own makeup. Watch plenty of YouTube videos. There are like 100, 1,000 of YouTube videos that you can watch to learn how to do your own makeup, so you don't have to go to someone to do your makeup every day. Like you can go to people to get glammed up, but like for a simple everyday makeup look, you can always like go to YouTube, use this time to learn how to do your own makeup. Secondly, you can also learn how to do nails. Like this is my mission, and this is something that I'm going to be doing during this time. I'm going to be watching plenty of YouTube videos. I just want to learn how to do nails. Like, yeah, so if you want to join or if you want to hop onto the bus, then learn how to do nails. And the next thing is make basic DIYs. Okay, you can do what do they call this? Crochet, something like that. Learn to do such things. Make DIYs. Maybe you can make basic storage containers from existing glass jars, water bottles that you have, cool drink empties, stuff like that. Learn a new language. You can basically download what is the name? Duolingo, I think. It's an app that can help you learn how to learn a different language. So learn a new language, learn a foreign language. Anyways, that's all on learning a new skill. Secondly, it would be work out from home, guys. Don't come out of this period looking like, okay, no, let me just say, don't come out of this period with a weight that wasn't part of your desire, or I don't know how to put this without coming off offensive, but if you have a goal and you have a certain body weight that you are trying to reach, work out at home, download apps, download YouTube videos, and do your exercises from home. Just because you are in self-quarantine and you can't go to the gym doesn't mean you can't get a workout, okay? Then the next thing you can do is read a book. You know, there could be that one book that you just keep putting to the side because you're either too busy or you're tired from work, and so you can't read this book. So you use this time now to read that book. Okay, and then thirdly, if you have something that you've always wanted to do, this is the time to actually start thinking of how you're going to start doing that thing. This is the time to start planning and coming up with your ideas and actually starting. Like, instead of just procrastinating about it, now is the time to start. If you wanted to start a YouTube channel and you've always been thinking, oh my goodness, I want to start a YouTube channel, I don't know when to start a YouTube channel, people are bored right now, okay? Nobody cares how that quality of that video looks like. Do a video, take your phone, take your camera, whatever phone camera you have, take it, pick it up, record yourself, do a video and start that YouTube channel. And then on to number 4, I would say spend time with God. Help yourself grow spiritually. If you for some reason felt like, okay, no, I've kind of broken back, no, not broken back, but like if you feel like you've kind of went away or you haven't spent that much time with God and you haven't grown yourself spiritually, this is the time to take that opportunity. Pick up your Bible, call a friend, spend time with God, spend time on devotion, pray about things that you have been wanting, things that you just want to thank God for. Like, this is the time to actually spend that time with God that you couldn't because of other things, because now you are alone basically. Okay, maybe you are with your family obviously, but you have so much free time on your hand that you can use this time for something good. And then the next, number 5, I hope, like, yeah, 5. Number 5 is call a friend. Like, video chat with your friends, what do you call this, WhatsApp phone call, WhatsApp video call, FaceTime if you have an iPhone. That when a friend that has an iPhone, take this time to actually talk to your friends, see how they are doing. Like, you never know how people are doing. Like, people could be going through things and you just don't know. So normally you are obviously busy, you are up and down, you don't get time to communicate with your friends or to just check up on them and see how they are doing. It doesn't even have to just be friends. It can be a family member that you haven't spoken to in a while. It can be, I don't know, an ex that you have something to say to, anyone that you need to talk to. Like, take the time and talk to your people. And then number 6 is binge watch a series. Yeah? Like, some people like me, I haven't watched Game of Thrones. Like, I just keep saying it's not my type of thing. Yours could be vampire series, Vampire Diaries, something that you just haven't got, like some kind of series that you just haven't gotten around to, that you've always been curious about. Like, download those episodes and watch them. Like, why not? You're just at home doing nothing anyways. Then the next thing is write a journal. Like, if you are a type of person that likes to write, or maybe you're also not a type of person that likes writing, maybe you could use this time to actually develop your writing skills, and then just write a journal, express yourself, write about your day. I mean, being indoors, a lot can be happening, you can get bored, so yeah, write a journal. And then the next thing is sit down and play. If you are a parent, now this one is for parents. Like, if you have a kid or you have kids, like you have a family, you are living with your boyfriend, girlfriend, and you guys are like having kids together, this is the time that you should actually take to play with them. You know how kids are always begging their parents for attention, like, mommy, you're never with me, mommy, you're never home. Now you are home, so come up with games to play with your kids. A fun thing that you can do as a family is TikTok, okay? Like, there's so many cute things that you can do with your family on TikTok, and it's fun, and it's just a fun free spirited, I don't know what I'm trying to use, but it's like, it's a platform where you can have a lot of fun and when you can just be free and play around with your kids. So get that TikTok app and then play with your kids, or go back in your backyard and go play some kind of game, like with the ball or with something. Then from there, number 7, I think they're number 7 now. Number 7 is cook food, cook a new recipe, go on YouTube, Google recipes and cook new food, something new. And then number 8 could be completing a puzzle. So you have a puzzle at home that you don't really play, or you go out to a shop and you get a puzzle and then you play you complete this puzzle. Or I know there are puzzles that you can download on your phone. Download a puzzle on your phone and play it. Okay, number, I think we are on number 8 or 9 now. Okay, I'm losing count of the numbers, so I'll just keep inserting the numbers as we go. But the next thing is to start a blog. So a blog is basically more like a YouTube channel, but in this case you are not in front of the camera, you are typing. So yeah, start a blog about something that you're passionate about. It can be even about coronavirus. But as long as the information that you're putting out there is relevant, it's not misleading, it's not putting panic into people. Like, yeah, but if you don't know enough about the virus or whatsoever, I would just suggest to rather just make the blog about something else you're passionate about. If you're passionate about hair, passionate about race, passionate about, I don't know, academics, whatever topics you're passionate about, make a blog about it. Next thing you can do is have say you have an old instrument at home that's just sitting there and you haven't played it. Maybe it's not even yours, it's your cousins, it's your brothers, whoever's, and you just want to learn how to play this instrument. Pick up this instrument, dust it off, get a YouTube video, learn how to play the instrument. Okay, like, why you are bored? Why is the instrument sitting there and you're not doing anything about it? No? Okay, next piece of advice is to meditate. Okay, so I'm not a person that meditates, but I don't even know much about meditation, but I just know that it's something that works for certain people. So if it is something that works for you, or that you think could work for you and you don't really know about it as much, read up about it, try it out, see how you feel about it. Like, maybe it could be something you will end up liking, like, you never know. So why not try to meditate or something, you know? And then next thing is treat yourself. Okay, by treating yourself, we mean, like, you know, that whole 10-step whatever self-care routine that people will be doing out here on YouTube and being all extra here on Instagram about, you know, doing this face mask, moisturizing, face peeling, what things, like, you know, those things that people are out here doing, like this whole 10-step face routine or something like that. You know those things, man. Go look up those videos, sit at home, try them out. Like, why not? You're bored, aren't you bored? So why not try a whole 10-step face routine, or body self-care routine, you know, something that makes you feel good about yourself. You know, try on your clothes and see which ones give you joy, which ones don't give you joy. The ones that don't give you joy, throw them, don't throw them out, but like, donate them, or just like donate them, DIY them into something that you would actually wear. And yeah, the ones that you don't like, you give it to someone else, or you just give it to a donation home or something. So yeah, try on the different clothes in your closet, and it's something fun too, or it could be fun. We can make it fun. Next thing is take a bubble bath with a glass of wine, you know, and then you snap that mind your language, honey. You snap that, okay? Like you go in your bath with some bubbles, you put some bubble bath in there, and then, you know, sleep, then not sleep, but like lie down there with a glass of wine, you know. Subscribers, so please, 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 please subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video, which in this coming weeks I'll be posting 2 videos a week, every Wednesday and a random day during the week. So thank you for watching.